Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need tequila. I'm using 1800 añejo today. Grapefruit soda, fresh grapefruit juice, fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice, and some salt. I'm gonna start by rimming this clay pot glass with salt. And we're gonna add 2 ounces of tequila añejo. One and a half ounce of fresh orange juice. A bunch of fresh lime juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And we're gonna stir it. Now we're gonna top it up with grapefruit soda. Now I'm just going to garnish it with an orange. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And until the next one, cheers!